The fight against COVID-19 pandemic is still very difficult and complicated, demanding drastic efforts of the entire sectors, disciplines, and people. Deeply aware of the strategy of 5K plus vaccine plus technology, the Science and Technology Center of Cần Thơ City is trying its best in coordinating for research in manufacturing and applying science and technology in local epidemic prevention and control.
This is an unmanned aerial vehicle for spraying fertilizer in agricultural production. Researched and modified by the Cần Thơ Center for the Application of Scientific and Technological Advancement to spray disinfectant for epidemic prevention purposes in 2020. This device has been tested at Cần Thơ Hospital for tuberculosis and lung diseases and has been evaluated as satisfactory. Recently, the robot spraying fertilizer in agriculture has also been modified by the center to spray disinfectant in quarantine and treatment sites. With a steady and stable design, this device can also be converted into a means of transporting goods, thereby helping to reduce the workload, especially reducing the risk of infection for competent forces. There will be 2 devices handed over at the request of the city's steering committee for epidemic prevention and control. In the process of experimenting and evaluating enterprise technology, we discovered and improved those products for other purposes. We propose and combine businesses to increase the product's versatility so that they can respond to specific immediate tasks like epidemic prevention. Living up to their role, the staff of Cần Thơ Science and Technology sector is focusing on research and the application of science and technology in epidemic prevention and control in the direction of effective adaptation to the fast and complicated developments in the locality.
Following the direction of Cần Thơ City People's Committee, the department collaborated with several leading scientists, especially in molecular biology, to make PCR spot check machines licensed by the Ministry of Health. We also cooperate with Cần Thơ University of Medicine and Pharmacy and prepare a level 2 molecular biology lab to support this work.
The SARS-CoV-2 RNA qualitative testing system consists of 2 products, including the SARS-CoV-2 RNA qualitative test kit, commonly known as a test kit, and an incubation and breeding device. The sooner the system is completed, the more meaningful it is for tracing, zoning, and sampling to stop outbreaks in the area, as well as for monitoring and treatment.
We are also working with some of the industry leaders in biosecurity to protect the frontline force. We are also building a sampling chamber so that frontline workers can safely take samples.
The Level 2 Molecular Biotechnology Laboratory is being urgently coordinated to be implemented so that it can quickly complete the SARS-CoV-2 RNA qualitative testing system. The sampling chamber for testing is also expected to be completed in early August.